top headlines for the day.
Seems like 2K17-18 will be full of blockbusters from the superstar of Bollywood. Why are we saying that? Well, if rumors are to be believed, then Salman Khan may be playing the title role in Race 3. Wow, now hasn't that come as a real surprise to you guys? But guys, this buzz is doing the rounds in the B-Town that after finishing his pre-committed assignments, he might start working for Race 3 if all goes well. But wait guys, an official confirmation has not been made yet in this regard. Well, going as per the reports, Salman Khan has read the script and has shown interest in it. Also, he has asked for the script of narration. So he is showing much interest in Race 3. Even the makers also want Salman to do the role. Guys, we have been seeing Salman Khan in films like Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo and Sultan, where he essentially plays Mr. Gurd. Now it will be quite refreshing to see him play a grey character like he did in Kick, hai na? So guys, do you want to see Salman Khan in Race 3?
The shooting for Salman Khan's much-awaited film Tube Light is so far wrapped up. The team is already done with the second schedule of Manali shoot. And how did it happen? Well, see for yourselves. Here is a tinsy peekaboo of Daban Khan's picture on Twitter, where he is seated in an antiquated yet vintage-looking gorgeous house. This sneaky side of Salman Khan leaves us fans wondering about the movie. We have seen Bhai in different remarkable roles, but there is definitely something distinctively special about his character in Tube Light. But until the movie is out, all we can do is drool over such daunting and impressive updates. Sallu Bhai, producer of this movie, and director Kabir Khan are all set to take fans to a frolicking ride all over again. What do you think of this outstanding image?
Hello Sallu fans. We are sure you must be desperately waiting for Kabir Khan's next play, Tube Light. So here we are with pictures of your favorite superstar from the sets of Tube Light in Manali. And we must say that Bhaijaan is at his quirkiest best and he's donning his simple avatar in the checked full sleeve shirt, and we must say he's looking quite stunning, hai na? Well, in these pictures, Kabir Khan can be seen explaining some scene and Salman Khan with his innocent look is trying to grasp it. Well, Tube Light is slated to release on Eid 2017, and this movie is very special for Bhaijaan as he'll be seen playing the role of a special character for the very first time. Well, the movie is based on Sino-Indian War 1962, and Bhai will be romancing with the Chinese actress Zuzu. So guys, are you waiting or not for Tube Light? Let us know.
Singham of B-Town Ajay Devgan, otherwise reserved in his personality, can nowadays be seen being socially active. Is it because of his upcoming film Shivai? Well, of course. Recently, in a row of Shivai promotions, he was spotted shaking hands with Cinema Owners and Exhibitors Association. He announced that he'll donate profits to the families of martyrs from the first day of business of his action thriller Shivai. Must say, it's a noble attempt. Now let's see whether this act of kindness will help the film earn accolades and the right appreciation. Shivai is an action sequence directed also by Ajay Devgan, which will officially release on October 28th. The hero and director of the movie was pushed up on the wall with rumors of Pakistani actor Sabaa Kamar having a small role in this action thriller. But he cleared the fumes of misunderstanding by negating any such news and asking people to move on.
Kajol and hubby Ajay are currently on a promotional spree these days, with only 1 week to go for their big release. The couple can be seen promoting Shivai all over. And now this lovely couple from the Tinsel Town was recently clicked promoting the action thriller at the Kapil Sharma show. Well, we must say that Kapil show has become the favorite spot for celebrities to promote their movie, isn't it? Flaunting a traditional avatar, Kajol was snapped in a beautiful off-white and golden attire. Coordinating the look with wifey Kajol, Ajay was also seen in an ethnic wear. The actor was at his charming best in a full-sleeve kurta. Well, the pair was brimming with joy and was all sporty. And what else can we expect from Kapil's platforms? They'll be giving us a good dose of laughter. So guys, how excited are you for Ajay's directorial venture? Let us know. Hello friends, We are back with yet another exciting news from the sets of Bigg Boss 10. Kamya Punjabi is the former contestant of Bigg Boss 7 and she has entered the Bigg Boss 10 house once again. After her entry, Kamya Punjabi lashed out at a celebrity contestant of Bigg Boss 10 along with Salman Khan. Kamya also thrashed Om Swamiji for his anti-women remarks. Well, Kamya, who had participated in Bigg Boss 7, was known for her honesty and straightforward nature. Kamya always claims that she never lies in real life also. And this is one of the reasons why this television actor is being brought on the show for the third time. Salman Khan also liked her as a contestant and that's why she was asked to make an appearance in the previous season as well. With Bigg Boss 10 having a mix of celebrities and commoners, Kamya will make a great judge. Sounds interesting, है ना? Hello friends, we are back with yet another exciting news about Ajay's upcoming movie Shivai. Recently, Mr. and Mrs. Devgan were spotted on the sets of Chala Hawa Yodhya on Zee 24 Stars. As the box office is eagerly waiting to witness the biggest clash of the year, so Ajay is doing every possible tactics to promote his upcoming film. Apart from the promotion, the couple did lots of masti on the sets and we also spotted Kajol dancing on the famous Marathi number Jhingar along with the team members of Chala Hawa Yodhya. This is not the first time when Ajay is making an appearance on the Marathi show. Earlier too, he was seen promoting his film Singham on Marathi Saregamapa. Thus it would be interesting to see Ajay on a Marathi show again with his better half Kajol. Hello friends. We are back with yet another exciting story about Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. You won't believe the shocking revelation made by Aishwarya Rai Bachchan about her upcoming movie's director Karan Johar. Recently in an interview to Filmfare, Aish revealed that Karan Johar wanted more intimacy between Ranbir Kapoor and her. But she was not at all comfortable shooting such love-making scenes. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan said, Karan would have liked a lot more intimacy. But I have not gone beyond in terms of my comfort space. It's the Saba Ayan dynamics. She's a progressive lady, impactful enough to become his voice for the rest of his life. The reason he writes. He sings her poetry, he finds expression in that. She continues to be a part of his life forever. After being in her comfort level, the on-screen jodi of Aish and Ranbir set fire with their love-making scenes in the trailer of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. We wonder अगर Aish would have agreed for more intimate scenes, तो सोचो क्या होता?
MNS President Raj Thackeray withdrew from protesting against Ae Dil Hai Mushkil after a closed-door meeting at CM Fadnavis's residence. Producers like Karan Johar, Siddharth Kapoor were present at the meeting. Karan Johar on one hand assured that he would never work with a Pakistani artist again and that he would make a significant economic contribution to the funds of Indian Army. The whole matter was settled with an agreement that producers who have allowed Pakistani artists to work in their films will have to pay Rs 5 crores to Indian Army funds. Owing to the decision taken, Shah Rukh Khan is taken into delirium, for he too, along with his fellow producers, will have to pay Rs 5 crore to the army as his film Raees features Pakistani sensation Mahira Khan as the lead female actor opposite Shah Rukh himself. Nevertheless, at least King Khan has heaved that he would not have to replace Mahira, isn't it?
Hey friends, we are back with another exciting news about Aamir Khan's Dangal. Since after the trailer launch of the movie, it has completed 17 million views in just 2 days and Aamir is getting many praises for his new look and Haryanvi accent. But freestyle wrestler Babita Kumari Phogat, on whose life the movie is based, has chosen Salman over Aamir. In a recent interview with Hindustan Times, when this 26-year-old wrestler was asked about her favorite actor, she revealed saying, "मुझे सलमान खान बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं." Well, all we can say is, better luck next time, Mr. Perfectionist, क्योंकि इस बार तो bad boy of Bollywood took away all the compliments. Chalo, let's hope the movie to be a super hit on the box office. And for more news like this, stay connected. Until then, bye-bye. Hey friends, have you ever thought of walking on water? Well, definitely no, cause only Bigg Boss 10 contestant Swami Omji can do such stunts. Well, Salman Khan makes fun of Swami Omji in the Shaniwar Ka Vaar episode for his statement that he can walk on water. Salman will be seen asking Kamya, क्या आपने सुना स्वामी ओम जी पानी पे चल सकते हैं? And immediately everyone will burst into laughter. On the Shanivar Kavar episode, Swami Omji is expected to be thrashed by the host of the show, Salman Khan, and celebrity guest Kamya Punjabi for his controversial statements and unrealistic revelations. अब देखना ये मजेदार होगा how Salman Khan will troll Swami Ji in the coming episodes for his statements. After knowing this, what do you guys feel? Do let us know in the comment section below. The number of fans of Salman Khan is really difficult to count. But now in the B-Town has arrived yet another person who's trying to steal away all his fans' attention and love. And who is he? Well, I'm talking about no one but his nephew Ahil. Check these pictures out, guys. Salman was spotted at Arpita Farms with Ahil. And I'm sure that this picture will leave you wondering who's cuter and adorable. Oh, just look at that smile of Ahil in the lap of his mamu. Oh my god, how cute is he? Too cute. We have seen many pictures of Salman with his nephew Ahil, who is the son of Salman's sister Arpita Khan Sharma and Ayush Sharma. The little one is a star already, but we cannot have enough of him, hai na? And if the bonus is his handsome uncle, well, that makes the picture even more drool-worthy, doesn't it? Well, we must say that Bhaijan, even after his busy schedule, manages to take out time for his family. Isn't that really sweet of him? Guys, don't forget to comment below what do you think about this frame-worthy picture.